This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the headphones have juice. Charge until the LED indicates sufficient power. Once done, press the power button briefly to turn them on and hold it longer to force Bluetooth pairing mode so your phone can find the device. Make sure to enable Bluetooth on your phone and select the Bose model exactly. This establishes the audio link. If you use a laptop, pick the headphones as both playback and communication device so calls and media route correctly. Once paired, open the Bose app to let it check firmware and expose the noise-canceling controls. Updates fix audio stability and ANC performance. Next, in the app toggle between noise-canceling and aware modes and use the level slider to balance silence versus environmental awareness. Higher ANC increases low-frequency suppression but may change sound staging. Also, if you switch between phone and laptop often, enable multi-point so you stay connected to two devices. You finish by getting a proper seal, adjust the ear cups and headband until they sit comfortably and block external noise. A good seal maximizes ANC effectiveness. Then play familiar music and switch ANC on and off to hear the difference. Subtle hiss may appear when ANC is active, which is normal. If things go wrong, power cycle the headphones, forget and repair the device, and check the Bose app for updates. This sequence resolves most connection or ANC issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.